Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking the video and deciding to watch it. And if you're a returning subscriber, well, welcome back. Alright, so today's video, you guys, I am kind of bored and, being stuck in the house. There's not much to do. I mean, I do go to work, but besides that, I come back home and I'm just chilling in the house. So for today's video, you guys, I decided to do a birthday makeup look. And well, whose birthday, you might ask? Well, of course, my birthday. It is the month of February, and well, your girl here is an Aquarius. So my birthday already passed, so if you can't talk, all right. It's kind of late at night, so forgive me. Alright, so if you're following me on TikTok, Twitter, all that good stuff, Instagram, you would know that my birthday has already gone by. And, well, I mean, it's gone by in the month of February, but we're still in the month of February, so I think it's okay to do a little bit of birthday makeup look. So, I have here a big basket of, different makeup. And some of them new, some of them old, some of them, well, to be quite honest, just a little bit new and a whole bunch of old favorites. So let's get started. So my skin is feeling dry, you guys, and I've talked about this primer honestly over and over and over again, and I'm sure some of you might be kind of sick and tired of me talking about it, but I feel like me talking about it consistently just kind of proves to you that I really do use it a lot. And I mean, you guys, if you haven't tried this, I don't even know if they still have it on their website. Go check it out. It's the Dominique Cosmetics and JD Wadey collaboration. It is honestly a wonderful primer, and it's coming from my own personal experience. Me having really dry skin. I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but my skin is kind of not on its best behavior right now, and I'm kind of so dry skin, flakiness, this just kind of solves all that problem for me. Not only does it helps with moisturizing, which you really do feel that moisture kind of kick in once you use it, also it primes. So it's kind of like you're getting a bundle deal, if you will. So, oh, and by the way, I do have a tiny bit of makeup. The only thing I have on is a little bit of brows. I filled in. They're kind of messed up now, but just kind of, quickly filled in. And I did kind of tight line my my eyeliner right here. Tight lined it, just a little bit. But other than that, nothing else on my face. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and prime. So my primer is on, and I'm just going to go ahead and kind of fix my brows up just a little bit. I did mention that I did fill in my brows a tad bit, so all I'm really doing here is just kind of fixing it up, and nothing too crazy. I know some people take decades to complete and fill their brows, and that has, that's fine, do you, whatever works for you. But for me, I don't really take a long time. I just kind of fill it in and just carry on with my day. My brows are not the perfect brows, you know what I mean? I just kind of fill that baby in and move on with life, because there are much more important things to worry about. Okay, so just kind of filled it in. It looks pretty good to me. Again, not perfect, but presentable. So brows are good. I'm going to now take my brow wax, and which, by the way, if you haven't tried this brow wax before, you're missing out. It is money saving, wallet friendly. Your bank will love you. It's by Elle, first of all, so you know it's a good company, and it just works, you guys. It's easy to use, especially if you have long brow hairs like I do. Then let me just tell you, pick one up. It is a no-brainer. It just works nicely. Look how my brows look already, it looks nice, you guys. Affordable, works well, perfect. All right, so brows to me are looking, like I said, presentable. So now let's jump into, sometimes, you guys, I do my eyes first, sometimes I do my face first. It's just kind of what am I in the mood for. So I'm not really sure exactly what type of makeup look I'm going for. I know I'm doing like a birthday makeup look, birthday, Aquarius. So let me just show you the palettes I brought down with me to my studio room. So I brought down my Whatever palette by ColourPop. This one has colors like that. And then I also have my other ColourPop palette, which has colors like this. And then I have another ColourPop palette. You guys, I swear I'm not sponsored by ColourPop, but I do love their palettes. They are always coming out with brand new makeup, and it's kind of exciting. I don't know, I like it. So anyways, the stuff I'm showing you right now, they're nothing new, but they are very beautiful. I also have this. Now I kind of like brought down a more, you know, neutral palette because I felt like you just need that neutral palette in your collection. So I brought that down, and then I brought down a really pretty color palette, which is by e.l.f. Their e.l.f. Retro Paradise. So, and I'm pretty sure you guys are thinking, well, when you think of February, you probably think of like the color purple. So I do have that in this palette right here. But you know, just because the color purple is the month of February, because you know amethyst, right, the birthstone, you don't have to use purple, right? But that's the palettes I brought down. So, and I have a bunch of other like, oh, let me show you. So I have this right now. I have these things right here. All right, so liquid eyeshadow, like jumbo stick pens, whatever. So let me just take a moment. Let me think what I want to do. Or you know what? Let me just kind of dive in. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to dive in and just see where things take me. So let me just take this color right here. And that, you guys, is the color Meadow. And then I'm just going to take that and brush that all over my lid. Using that same brush, you guys, I'm going to take the Mr. Brightside color, which is that shade right here. And this is the other palette. This is their Whatever, ColourPop Whatever palette. So take that, and I think I'll place it kind of like on the outer corner, like so. It's crazy how pigmented these colors are. Alright, so something like that, I guess. So now, taking this color right here called Tardy, it's the same Whatever palette. I'm gonna use my fingers, just kind of dip in there, and then, see, it looks like that. I'm going to place that on the center of my lid. Like that. So now taking my, what is this called? It's just a fluffy brush, and there's nothing on it. I mean, it's not like super clean, but nothing really on it. I'm just gonna use it to soften out the edges a little bit. So now, taking my packer brush and my Retro Paradise palette, I am going to take the shade, let me think for a second, Paraíso, which is this color right here. I'm going to use that to kind of place it in my inner corner. And also swoop it down to my lower lash line a little bit, just a little bit. And you guys, I'm going to come back to my lower lash line because I'm going to put concealer on and it's going to cover it up. So yeah. Yeah, so the eye look is pretty much completed. I'm going to come back to it. So let's just do our face right now. So obviously we put our primer on already. Let's go ahead and put on some foundation. Ooh, the foundation, you guys, is a brand new one. So this was sent to me by Influencer. So thank you to them for sending me this. This is the new e.l.f. Camo Concealer Camo CC Cream Foundation. This is Light 240W. I have not tried it yet. It has a well, anyways, I'm gonna put it on. I'll do a separate video talking about this more in depth. So if you're curious about that and you don't want to miss out, subscribe, you know, tap the bell, all that good stuff. So, but in this video, we're just putting it on and playing with makeup. So, let me pump some out. Hopefully, this matches my shade. It does look a tad bit too light, but sometimes you never know till you're done with your makeup look and it just kind of looks perfect. So, we will wait for the final results. So foundation is on. Alright, so let's move on to the next step. I am going to do a little bit of concealer, and for concealer, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape. I feel like everyone knows about this, so put a little bit under my eye, and then maybe some on my nose. Like that. Blend that out. So what I like to do is let the concealer sit a little bit. That way I feel like it helps, you know, really make the concealer work and help brighten your eyes even better. Which is why, if you notice, I put the concealer under my eyes first because I want that part to be the brightest. And then I come down the middle of my face, and then when I'm blending, I go backwards. And the last thing I blend out is under my eyes. That way, it's been sitting on my eyes for just a little bit. Just like that. Oh, and if you're curious, this thing right here, Amazon, you guys. This is amazing. It comes in like a pack of 2. A pack of 2? I think so. Because, no. Pack of 2? Maybe just 1. I can't remember. I gotta go back to my beauty room and see what I have. But anyways, I do know I got it from Amazon. So if you want to get this, Amazon. Alright, so concealer is on. So now I'm going to kind of set everything with a little bit of powder. And today I'm going to use the Wet n Wild. This is their Mega Glow Contouring Palette. So first, let's take a little bit of their lighter shade. And then gently pat it under. And then just kind of brush off the... Oops, this has a little bit of blush on it. Take this back and blah. Kind of like, there you go. Just like that. Dust off the excess. Alright, so now taking that same palette, the contouring palette, I'm going to kind of put a little bit of, what do you call it? Bronzer. So just like that. So for blush, you guys, I'm gonna use this Korean company called Too Cool for School. That's what it looks like. Kind of dip that in like so. And then like that. For my like cheek highlight, I'm going to use the Dominique Cosmetics. This is their Sunset Glow. And you guys, I've hit pan. Can you see that? Pretty crazy. So I like to take this brush right here and dip it in. And then just kind of do something like that. And then taking another skin gloss by Dominique Cosmetics, but this time is the Golden Dew. That I'm going to use my fingers, kind of dip in there. And you know what? I changed my mind. I am not using my fingers. Let me see. I'm going to use this brush instead. This is the Blending Eye Brush. I'm going to kind of dip it in there like so. And then I'm going to highlight the brow bone area just a little bit. Maybe even go back to my inner corner just a little bit. Maybe even like my cupid's bow, like so. Alright, so yeah, okay, that looks pretty good. Let me see. Let me go back in with my eyes now. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. No Budge Shadow Stick. This is their shade Perfect Pearl. And I'm gonna use that to highlight the under eye like so. Just like that. So that looks pretty good. Alright. For my lips, you guys, you know what? I'm gonna pause at the lips. Let me finish my eyes. Alright, so let me think. So I'm gonna take this color right here. No, actually, let me think. Yeah, I'll take this color. So this is the LA Girl Ultimate Ink. This is their Ultimate Black eyeliner. So let me go ahead and do my eyeliner real quick. And this, you guys, affordable, super creamy, works really well. Alright, so here we go. So my eyeliner is completed. I did like a winged look. They're not perfect, but you know, you can tell that they're winged eyeliners. So now let me put on some mascara. I'm going to put on let me think. I'm gonna put on this right here. This is the Dr. Mascara by Etude House. This is their Long Lash Up Curl Fix Coating Fix. Did a review on it, complete review. Already posted it up. If you're curious about that, go check it out. But let me just put this on my lashes real quick. So my mascara is on. I put on, like I said, the Dr. Mascara Fixer. And then on top of that, I placed the Bambi Eye Mascara, which I've also done a review on it. So go ahead and check those videos out. Now, let's see, the lips. That is what we need to do. So for the lips, you guys, I have two options. I have the Jason Wu and I have the e.l.f. and they're very different. I think for this look, I'm gonna go with the Jason Wu look and put some of that on. Now this is not only a lipstick, but it's supposed to be a blush, an eyeshadow stick. It's like a 3-in-1 makeup, but for this makeup look, I'm just going to use it as a lipstick. So let me place that on. And speaking of reviews, you guys, I've done a review on it, so check it out. So I have my Jason Wu lipstick on. I'm going to take my skin gloss, the Sunset Glow, looks like that, and just kind of tap that on the center of my lid. Like that. So that looks pretty good. Alright, so that is the lips, and let me think. Am I done, you guys? Yeah, I think I'm pretty much done, you guys. So here is my birthday makeup look. It was just kind of a random look I did, to be quite honest. I guess it's a birthday makeup look because, well, we are still in the month of February. My birthday just passed. And, I mean, the ends, like the outer corner, it does have like that hint of purple in it. And purple is like, you know, amethyst, my birthstone. So, I mean, and I like glitter. Yeah, anyway, so this is my take on my own birthday makeup look. I hope you like it, you guys. If you did, go ahead and subscribe and click on that notification bell. And of course, like the video, show me you liked it. Comment down below any questions, concerns, all that good stuff. Follow me on my other social media platform. And you guys, I think that's pretty much it. Alright, so of course, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.